What's up, y'all? So I'm in my garage now. I'm gonna print up a couple of garments. I have a hoodie that I need to send out and a black t-shirt that I also need to send out. Got this order a couple of days ago. Since I don't have a lot of room in my garage, this is basically where I work, I don't keep inventory. So anytime that I need a garment that I don't already have, I order it and then I go pick it up the next day. I pick it up in Issaquah, that's not too far away from Seattle where I live. It's about 20, 30 miles from here. So that's what I do. Before I press anything up, I look at the garment, I check it out, make sure that everything is good. There's no holes, there's no threads coming out the seams or anything like that. I check it for quality. So that's the first thing I do is check it for quality, see if it's a good shirt, if it's a good garment. Usually there's 99% of the time there's not gonna be a problem or an issue with your garment. So, but the first thing I'm gonna do is make sure we pre-treat the garment. Whatever it is, it could be a hoodie, it could be a shirt, it could be anything. So the thing with the Northwest climate, it's really damp around here. It rains a lot. So that moisture can get into the fabric and it could stay there. So the first thing you wanna do is you're gonna wanna pre-treat it with your heat press for about 5 to 10 seconds, get all that moisture out. When you see steam coming out, that means there was moisture in that fabric and you got it out. So that'll give you an idea of how much moisture is in your garments. So that's the first thing we're gonna do. Go ahead and pre-treat it one time. So I like to use Teflon with mine. Teflon paper, make sure it doesn't burn. So now it's only at 165 degrees. It's still warming up, but that's okay. As long as you can get most of that moisture out, you'll be good. I bought my heat press from Amazon. I was ready to spend like $500-600 on it, but my buddy was like, don't do that. Just buy something from Amazon first, see if it actually works, and then test it out, use it for a little while, and then upgrade at a later point. So I pre-treated it at 170 degrees for about 15 seconds. So now we're good to go. So we can go ahead and lay down our design that I have that I'm gonna go ahead and print up. This is from Supercolors Heat Transfers. When I lay it down, I'm just looking at if everything is even to me. That's all I'm doing. Now, I have this placement kind of measurement for you. It's just kind of a guide. I use it as a guide. And I just wanna make sure that everything is straight. Okay, everything looks good. Everybody thinks this is a fucking science, but it's really not. It may look difficult or whatever it is, but you're gonna find out that this shit is fucking easy. And it's like, I can make money off this shit. Fuck, why not? So I have it at about 325. I'm gonna press it for about 15 seconds. Now mine doesn't have a slide out deck or whatever. I only bought it for like, real shit, only like 180 bucks, maybe 200 bucks. And it works, and it works great. I made my money back the first order I did. So it's on a timer, and here we go, it's ready. Now Supercolors, or you could do a hot or cold peel on these. For these bigger designs, I like to let them sit for a little while and let it cool down before I actually peel the transfer paper off. I just wanna make sure that everything is solid. I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes and then we'll hit it again just to make sure it's all in the fibers. Guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off. All right, looks really good. I'm gonna hit it one more time just so it doesn't feel like it's just sitting on top of the fabric. I just do this so I make sure, so it's melted into the fabric and you can actually see the fabric underneath the design. Because a lot of complaints that people get with heat transfers is that papery poster feel on top of it. Looks good. So this is what it looks like. This is what it came out looking like. Looks pretty dope. I'm gonna package this up and then send it out. Peace.